Is it better to buy or rent? Depende ito sa situation at goals mo sa buhay. Both renting and buying has advantages. Kailangan mo lang i-consider kung ano ang fit sa iyong lifestyle at budget. Bakit mas okay bumili ng bahay? First, it's an investment. Pag bumili ka ng bahay, nagiging asset mo siya. Second is stability. Sa'yo na ang bahay kaya wala ka ng worries about rent increase. Third, freedom to customize. Sa'yo na ang bahay kaya pwede mong ayusin o i-renovate based sa gusto mo. And last, long-term saving. Once fully paid mo na ang bahay, sa'yo na ito at wala ka nang iisiping monthly rent. Now, bakit naman mas okay mag-rent? First, lower upfront cost. Wala kang kailangang malaking down payment. Second is flexibility. Kung hindi ka pa ready mag-settle, renting gives you freedom to move anytime. Third, walang maintenance fee. And last, better location options. Minsan, mahal bumili sa prime location, pero kaya mong mag-rent within your budget. So, anong mas okay para sa'yo? Kung long-term stability ang hanap mo at afford mo ang mortgage at other costs, buying is perfect for you. Kung gusto mo naman ng flexibility at less financial responsibility, renting is for you. At the end of the day, depende ito sa financial situation at lifestyle na gusto mo. If you have more questions, just message me and comment down below para masagot ko yan sa aking next video.